All right, you're going big time. You're going to a Chinese buffet. And what you know is the number of calories that people consume at a Chinese buffet is normally distributed with a mean of 2620. Oh, it's more than I should eat in a day, but I can guarantee that if I go to a Chinese buffet, I'm eating probably that many calories. There's so many good things. Okay, anyway, it has a standard deviation of 613. So we're trying to figure out if we randomly select a customer, what do we know? Right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the probability that we selected a customer that consumes less than 2,459 calories. So again, remember, this is statistics. So we're taking lots of data, right? We're taking data from tons of people, and then we're going to put it onto a chart. And then in this case, it's a normal curve that it forms. That's a really bad normal curve. Let's try again. Anyway, forms a normal curve, and we know that the average or the mean is 2620. We're trying to figure out if I pick any person along that I just picked, what's the probability that they're going to be below 2459? What's the probability that I pick one of these people and not somebody else? Well, how many of my people are actually down here in the curve? Well, what percent of my people are down here? We're going to use the normal CDF to find that, right? So we could calculate the z-score to find how many standard deviations away that is, but we don't need to right now because we have a way to do it without a z-table. So we're going to go to normal CDF, enter, and our lower bound is going to be negative infinity, right? We want to go all the way to somebody who consumed like no calories, all the way up to someone who consumed 2459, and we want to figure out what is the actual area under the curve for this group of people. Our mu, or our mean, is 2620, and our standard deviation is 613. All right, so we have a 39. The area under this curve is 0.39641. So this area is 0.39641. So we have a 39.641% chance, because that's, did I copy that down right? See, I always copy it. I think I copy it wrong and I second guess myself. Okay, we have a 39.641% chance that we're going to pick one of these people instead of one of these people, because 39% of our people are down here. So you have a 39% chance of consuming less than 2,459 calories at a Chinese buffet. Good luck. All right, what proportion of the customers consume over 2846? So this is the same thing, except for instead of looking at this left side, we're now looking at the right side, and we're here at 2846. We're saying, like, how many of our customers are in that area right there, okay? So we're going to go back to our distribution here. And our lower bound at this point is going to be 2846, because that's the lowest we want to go. And then we only want to find people from there all the way up to positive infinity. And so we're just going to put a huge, huge number in there. And our mu and sigma stay the same. And we have 35.618. So 35.618% of people are up here on the top. So if I picked any random person out of what, say everybody that's sitting at the Chinese buffet today, and I picked one person, I have a 35.618% chance that that person has consumed more than 2846 in calories. Okay, the Piggy Award. I don't know if you want to get this award, but the Piggy Award will be given out to the 1% of customers who consume the most calories. So what's the fewest number of calories a person must consume to receive the Piggy Award? So this is great. You want to have the top 1% of calories. Okay, so we're trying to figure out, this is 1% right here, which is equal to 0.01, right? That's the area. That's what 1% looks like. What's that number? That's what we're trying to figure out. What is this number that cuts off the top 1%? So in this case, we use the InvNorm function. I should really figure out how I'm actually supposed to pronounce that. So we're going to do that. What's our area? 0.01, because it's 1%, right? Our mu was 2620. And our sigma is 613. And we're looking at a right tail, right? Because we want the top tail. So we're looking at what's the 1% at the top. The left tail would be the 1% at the bottom, and the center tail would be the 1% right smack in the middle, which wouldn't tell us much. We don't care about them. Okay, top. So the number that cuts that off is 4046.05. So you could probably say, and I would probably say 4047, because it's really hard to like consume half a calorie, especially at a Chinese buffet. So we wouldn't want any of these decimals. So 4046 isn't quite there. So we would say 4047 is how many calories you need to consume to get the very coveted Piggy Award.